to walk you through the process of exporting DNG files. If you are not somebody who uses Lightroom, you can use this program from Adobe called Digital Negative Converter. You can download it for free from Adobe's website, and I will walk you through it. The first step is number one, select the images to convert. So what you do there is you select the folder that you want to be converted to DNG. I have a folder here ready to go called raw files, but this will most likely be on your hard drive or wherever your raw files are. I'm going to leave these unchecked because it's not important for me. Select location to save converted images. So this is where your images are going to be exported to. So I want to put them onto my desktop so I know where they are, but I'm going to create a folder inside here and label it DNGs. Number 3, select name for converted images. I am going to leave them blank, so document name.dng is perfect. Just leave that. And then preferences, this is where we can resize the DNGs to be smaller, making it easier to upload to our website. So in the preferences, this is where we can make adjustments to the image size, which will make it easier for uploading. The most important one here is the compression and the use lossy compression option. Press this checkbox and then you can limit how big the files are going to be. I recommend using either 2048 or 1680 or 2560. Any of these three will do. I'm going to choose 2048 for the long side. Do not press embed original raw file because that will make the images really big. Once you have all that selected, you can press OK and convert. And so this is now going to export the DNGs into that folder that we had selected. Okay, once that is completed, you can press OK and quit Adobe Digital Negative Converter, and those files should be in that DNG folder that we labeled right there in your raw folder. So from here, what we're going to do, I'm just going to move this out to our desktop so we can see it visually. We are going to compress this folder containing our DNGs into a zip file. You can do that by right-clicking the folder and pressing compress. And this is the file that we're going to use to upload. So once you're ready, you can go to the upload page on your order, drag and drop that DNG folder into here, and press upload. And that is how you create DNGs without using Lightroom.